so wrong. They about to turn me up, cause they tryna take me down. Niggas hating on me now, yeah, they about to turn me up. Niggas thinking that I won't go and turn up now. You know this is about, you know how we turn up now. When them guns come out, when them shots pop out. You know how we swervin', get hit with no warning. Bottles got us turning up. You know how we shot it out. You know how we ride it out.
You gotta double tap, he ain't getting up. They told him good riddance. Gotta switch it out. Got me a ladder, I keep like 30 we on the spin around, rolling down the window like we on his ass. If you ever did me wrong, nigga, ain't no coming back. We'll be on the curb, pick him up and throw him in the trash. Leave him stuck, he ain't going nowhere like he caught a flat. Can't be riding in a car if that car is not tinted. You be riding in that and I be riding something different. Gotta run it up and go hard and playing with the switches. Riding in a big body Jeepin' with the top missing. Bitches tryna conversate, you know that I'm not with it. Tryna take a nigga's money, no, you cannot get it. You heard this, you know I ain't perfect. I give you the service, you know that you did me wrong. You know I be moving, yeah, I do the shooting. Yeah, they about to turn me up.
Niggas thinking that I won't go and turn up. You know this is about, you know how we turn up. When them guns come out, when them shots pop out. You know how we swervin', get hit with no warning. Bottles got us turning up. You know how we shot it out. You know how we ride it out. A lot of shit that I will never speak about. Keep it a hush. You know how we be in the streets, we creeping up. Turn on the dust. So how you supposed to be my brother and try to slide me out? When you needed me, I was there, but you can't call me now. Once I say it's war, then it's war, we can't speak it out. I can meet you at your front door or your bitch house. And you know what type of nigga I am, this ain't the shit I talk about. But niggas got me turned up, cause niggas really turned out. Damn, it's a shame how they did me wrong. They don't even know what type of time they on. Now I'm on a different time zone and they blowing out my phone. But I ain't got no time for them, no time. Put that chopper behind you and hit your spine. That type of shit that hurt your mind. You know how we gon' slide out. Niggas thinking that I won't go and turn up. You know this is about, you know how we turn up. When them guns come out, when them shots pop out. You know how we swervin', get hit with no warning. Bottles got us turning up. You know how we shot it out. You know how we ride it out.
HT make the wave.